Good morning, students. Today we will read the poem I Have Got Email. Students, you know meaning of this word email. E means electronic and mail means letter. Means the letter which we receive through our computers, laptops or our phones. So let's begin. The postman doesn't knock at my door, yet I have mail, of that I am sure. The poetess is saying that nowadays the postman does not knock my door, means no postman comes to my house, but still I am very much confident, I am very much sure that I receive letters. I don't know my pin code. That anyway is a fashion out of mode. Mode means not in fashion or style. The poetess is saying कि I do not even remember my pin code. Students, if you know, I would like to tell you that whenever we write letters, inland letters, postcards, then along with the address, we mention the pin code of the city. Right? So the poetess is saying that I don't know my pin code. Why? Because that is out of fashion. Why? Because nobody nowadays writes the letters like inland letters, postcard, etc. Because everyone is used to sending emails. I haven't sent a letter by post in 1 year. Further, the poetess is telling us that she has not written even a single letter for the last 1 year. Yet I communicate with those who are dear. Still, she is able to communicate, she is able to exchange the words with those which are her relatives, who are her relatives, her friends. Outside my house, you won't find a mailbox anywhere. Students earlier, what the people used to do, they used to have a very small letter box and at their gate on the wall there used to be a small letter box so that the postman may come and he may put that letter into that mailbox. So the poetess is saying कि now I have no mailbox, no letter box outside my house, but does it matter and do I care? The poetess is saying that it doesn't matter if there is no post box, there is no mailbox outside my house gate, house door, then it doesn't matter for me and I even don't care for it. My letters are on my computer screen. Okay, why she doesn't care about that mailbox or letter box? Why? Because all her letters are on her computer screen. Getting messages is my cherished dream. Cherished means most valued, most loved. So poetess is saying that receiving and sending messages is my most beloved dream. It is my favorite pastime. I love reading mails, I love sending mails. With a click of a mouse, I talk to my brother in Florida. Now, in the next line, the poetess is telling us that mails, emails, especially emails, electronic mails, we can send emails within seconds. It doesn't matter how far the person is from us, only we should know his or her email ID, right? So, with a click of a mouse, the poetess is saying that I can talk to my brother who lives in Florida and or a battalion of long lost friends, one even in Costa Rica. Or a battalion. Battalion means army. Here it refers to a large number of friends. The poetess is saying that I can communicate, I can exchange my letters, I can send and receive the messages from a large number of friends, and one of my friends lives in Costa Rica. There also I am able to communicate with my friend. But there are times I sigh and go pale. Sigh means feel sad. Pale means scared, afraid. So there comes time when I feel very sad, I get confused, I feel scary. Why? When I have to sift through countless emails. Sift means search, to search. The poetess is saying that sometimes I become very sad. Why? Because I have to search the mail of my purpose out of a large number of mails. Countless means a large number. Students, we keep on receiving emails from different institutions, different organization, different malls, right? So the mail of all kind, the mail which we need, we are to search for that. So it is a tedious work, it's a difficult work for the poetess to search the mail that she needed. A wrong address could mess up one's life. Mess up means destroy, or you can say chaos, or you can also say confuse. The poetess is saying कि if a wrong address means if you receive a wrong mail, then it can disturb your life, it can confuse you. One may get queries on beauty when science is the line. For example, you have asked something somewhere about some science facts, about means your queries were about science, but by mistake you received a wrong mail and you are getting tips on beauty. So it would be very funny, and it would be very confusing also. Wo betide you if a virus you release. Wo means pain, betide means falls upon you. The poetess is saying कि if a virus enters your computer, there will be a lot of painful time for you. You will become very sad. Why? Your mail inside the computer will freeze. Freeze means will not open. The poetess is saying if a computer is infected by a virus, then no mail is going to open. All the mails will freeze inside the computer. You can say that a virus can corrupt a file and that file does not open, right? I can't figure out if email is a boon or a bane. Boon means blessing, right? And bane is the opposite of blessing, means it's evil thing. I can't figure out. I am not able to calculate. I am not able to discover. Figure out means to discover, to know, to calculate. The poetess is saying that I am not able to calculate whether these mails are good or bad for us. But without it, life would never be the same. But if there would have not been mails, then life would not have been so interesting as it is today. And this Doti.com, I confess I am crazy. Confess means accept. And Doti.com, this phrase is referred to email. So the poet is saying that I am crazy about receiving and getting mails. This thing I accept. Though mom screams, oh, it's made you lazy. Screams means shout. My mother often shouts that this mail has made means sitting all the time in front of the computer, laptops or smartphone. This thing have made you lazy. This thing has made you lazy. Mouse potato, dad will often say. And dad calls me mouse potato. Means a person who works for a longest hours on computer is called mouse potato. But getting email is the best part of my day. But the poetess is saying that receiving mails, emails, is the best time period of my day. Dear God, it's neither the male nor the female. The best thing you give us is the email. So this is something very funny. The poetess is saying कि neither any man nor any women is better. The best thing is what? Emails. The creation of email is the best thing. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.